Archery compound bow sight. Apex Archery TGTG-79 Glo-Brite Peep. Top reviews from the United States. Works better than the factory one considering it was gone in 25 shots. Don't normally use a bow sight, but I bought a new bow, old one had gave up on me. They strung it up for me at the Cabelas, put the sight in, said it would help, and first 25 shots and bam, next one had no factory sight. So received this along with a little bar for bowstring spreading, for easier installation when the string is already installed, popped this in the right direction, tied the alignment retainment tube onto the place it says to, then went back to hunting. Works great, hasn't flipped out yet after 100 plus shots, and if it does, I'd say the tube that helps it align fast will keep it attached to the bow. I don't normally use the sight, but when it's needed it works good.